Alright, I'm just going to show how I put on my hair. So mine is monofilament, and it's got the clips on the side because I have hair, and my hair is on the top of my head, so I just clip it in to the hair around here. And then I put on like root cover-up powder to the front of my hairline. I put it all around my hairline, so you can't really tell a difference from where this starts and where it's my own hair. So I just use like a dark brown powder and put that on. And then I just open up the front clips. And just line up the front here. And then I open up the back clips and clip those in. And then I take a wide tooth comb and I go around my whole head. And then I take the fine tooth end of this comb and I go in the front of my hair, like that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, and so the root powder really makes a difference, because otherwise you would see a huge gap between the little bit of hair that I leave out and my hairpiece. So there we go. I thought I would also add here that this hair is medium light density, and it's the regular Indian non-Remy hair, which I really like because it's really fine and is by far the most natural thing I found and the closest thing to what my hair really is. So I absolutely love it.